how to add shipping address on Bigcommerce, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add shipping address. First open your browser and then click settings, and now once you're here all you need to do just click this one, shipping, or you can just type here shipping and click on it. And as you see here, we'll find shipping origin. Now just click add shipping address. Here we'll find it. Here is it. Click on it, and now that's it. Just manage all of those and then click submit, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.